Right, good morning. As you can see, clocks are out. I'm stripping the whole, it's all going into the box and getting rid of lids, front bits, and basically what we're going to do, all that had cables and control box and all that, and we're going to put it on a trailer, take it around. Roy's getting some sand today, and we'll sandblast it. It's going to be easier than using the brush. So, and today, well, yesterday, these came in. And I'm putting them together. These are we got 4 wheel dollies. These, according to the manufacturer, they hold a ton each. And you jack any car onto them, right? And you've got 4, and you can easily move it around the shop, and it must be really useful, because to put this Jeep into this position with that door sideways like that, it was a nightmare. Yeah, I drove it in and then we switched it off and just pushed it back and forth until it got into a comfortable place where I could walk around. Yeah. So look at that, stuck to the cupboard, and that's me. Hey. And but opening and closing the door there is a bit of a nightmare. So we got those. So yeah, that's it. That's what we're up to today, and that's the way it is. See you soon, mates.
A tune of awesome quality. Mr. Bruce Hornsby in the range, and the way it is at Lake